Looking for step-by-step instructions on how to delete a LinkedIn post and also delete that post from your featured section? Keep watching, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. So to get the process started, you're going to go to LinkedIn and log on. And then from the LinkedIn homepage, you need to navigate to your profile. Now, easiest way of doing this is just clicking on your name or photo in the left navigation. Okay? From here, we are going to navigate down to our activity section. So I'm going to scroll down, and you can see the section headings here. This one is called Analytics. I'm highlighting it so you can see it. This is your About section. Here's your Featured section. And by the way, this is the post that I want to delete out of here. Right now it's inside my Featured section. And then here's my Activity section. Now, for the purposes of this exercise, I've actually duplicated a post so that I'm keeping the original one up, and I want to duplicate the one that's in here as a second post. So that way I'm not messing things up in case people happen to see my LinkedIn post, and I think it'd be really good for content as well. So what you're looking for is in your activity section, you are scrolling down to the bottom and you're looking for the link that says Show All Posts. Okay? Once you do so, you're going to be in a page which shows you all of your recent posts. Now, if it happens to be the most recent post, you can click on that from here. If not, you might need to scroll down to find which post it was that you wanted to delete. Now, in this case, I want to delete my most recent post. So you're going to notice in the upper right-hand corner of each of your posts, there's 3 dots. If you click on that, you'll get a menu. The menu will contain a link which includes Delete Post. Now, once I click on Delete Post, I'll get a message popping up here, and it says, are you sure you want to permanently remove this post from LinkedIn? So we're going to go ahead and click on Delete. So it is giving you that little warning process in place. And now I'm going to double check to see, but this should also be deleted from your Featured section at the same time, because what happened is when you added it to your Featured section, it pulled from one of your recent posts. Okay, so I'm going to just scroll down. And I'm looking inside here. I can still see there's 2 posts. So let me do one quick thing. Sometimes LinkedIn's like a ketchup bottle that gets stuck and we need to give it a little whack. So I'm just going to do a quick page refresh. Now, an easy way of doing a page refresh is just going in the address bar, the URL field, and just clicking on enter. And that's essentially kind of hitting the side of the ketchup bottle and telling LinkedIn, hey, go out and make sure you caught what I just updated onto my profile. Now, once I've done so, I'm going to scroll down. And I'm looking, it's no longer in the Featured section. And if I look in my posts, I don't have that duplicate post anymore. So the delete did in fact take place. So again, today's demonstration was how to delete a LinkedIn post and also to delete the corresponding post that was put inside your Featured section. Now, I typically don't delete posts on LinkedIn, even if posts aren't performing well. I let them ride on the platform. But if there was information that was incorrect, if I happen to duplicate a post in error like I did in my example here today, or if there's some other reason I just don't want to have that post out there on LinkedIn anymore, you certainly can delete a post. And if you have added that same post to your Featured section, it should go away. If it's not happening right away, make sure that you do that page refresh, because sometimes LinkedIn's like a ketchup bottle that gets stuck and you just need to give it a little whack and do a page refresh, and then it should disappear from there. This video was prompted by a question from one of my clients, and she asked me for step-by-step instructions on how to delete a post and delete that same post that was put inside her Featured section. I told her I would give her step-by-step instructions, but I also wanted to give her a video to walk her through visually what she should be seeing as she's going through, and I thought it might be helpful for you as well. This is Brenda Meller, helping you to get a bigger slice of the LinkedIn pie. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you could drop a comment below and let me know. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell notification, and that way you can get my latest video notifications on YouTube as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.